Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I absolutely love gardening, and every summer I look forward to the time when I can put my tomato plants in and other vegetables. Now, one thing I'm terrible at is putting in tomato cages when I first put in my starts. What I'm loving about these ohlela tomato cages is you can put them in after you've already have an established plant. So you put the spikes in around what's already there. The sides are adjustable, which is so convenient because as your plant continues to grow, you can actually move the sides up to accommodate that. There are lots of extra lengths and sides to accommodate really whatever size your plant gets. I should have been more proactive with my artichoke plants especially, and I waited until they were quite large and the globes were getting heavy. But that's what's beautiful about this set because I don't have a static tomato cage to place around it, which can be quite difficult. I was able to just put the spikes in around the established plant. I've been using these tomato cages for about a month, and I love that I've been able to move up the sides as the plant has gotten bigger, and I know it's going to be able to accommodate whatever size my tomatoes get because they do get quite large, especially as summer moves on. They were so easy to put together. You need no additional tools in order to put the spikes together with the connectors or to attach the sides. If you're an avid gardener like I am and you haven't tried adjustable tomato cages like these ones from ohlela, I highly recommend you checking them out, and that's my point of view.